Hi guys, welcome back. Right, I'm back at HQ now. Gonna have a little attempt to get this in van and take her home. That were an hard going that. We've got it loaded now. I think we're we got safe. We've got a bit of fluorescent on it, so let's go. Right, I've managed to get the trailer home. I'll take you for a little look. Right, we're getting there with this trailer clean. I've got my little helper today. A bit of sweeping. We're just grinding away. Getting it all super clean. So my plan is put the tyres on the rims, put the wheels on the axle, lift the frame up, because I really wanted to flip it over, but the weight of it, I just can't do it. So I'm gonna, like I say, put the wheels on the axle, slide the axle in, bolt that on, and jack it right up, so I can literally just lay underneath it and just give it a clean up underneath. But I've got the bulk off it now. So right, so I found when I took these tyres off, if you put the tyre on that small side, they're going a lot easier. So here goes, we're going to put a bit of fairy liquid on. Bit of fairy liquid round. Right, I've managed to get the tyres on the rims now, so I'm just going to paint the top of the axle here on this point. It's just so when it goes on body, obviously I won't be able to get to that after, so I'm not too fussed about it being all painted up and lovely yet, because I'm going to be welding, grinding, drilling, doing all sorts of bits. So we'll get that painted, and then I'm going to put the wheels on the axle, jack the body up, and get it mounted. Right, I've jacked it up now. I'm just going to grind the underneath where the axle bolts to the body. Just need to grind that and clean it. I've just noticed the axle's bolted towards the back, but I've just found 2 new bolt holes, so you can move the axle further to the middle. So when I build the weight on it, that's, I think when the wheels are towards the back, it's designed for when the tipping trailer goes up. So I'm going to put these ones, I'm going to move them to them ones. I think it'll be a bit more better when I've put the body on, and like the centre of gravity, if you want. I think it'll just be a bit better when tractor picks it up. So what I'm going to do now is just level it up and just carry on cleaning. Right, she's all level now, so it's just find it a bit easier when you're building something. If you just try and make it a bit flat, obviously I won't use a level when I'm building it, it'll be all done by measurements. So I think the next stage now, I'm just going to give it another good clean up, prime all the parts where I can get primer on it. I'm not going to go too mad, because when I start welding and drilling, you're going to get scuff marked. Obviously it'll burnt paint off where I weld. So just to stop it rusting while I'm working on it. So in my next video, I'm going to be putting the girders across, like the arms, if you want to call it, where they sit, and attaching the brackets to the girders and making some new pins on the lathe, and really generally setting the bed up ready to start building, start playing with some new clean parts. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Take it easy, bye bye.